Hi everyone, this is Chloris from Launch. In today's video, I will show you the add-on modules to extend the functionality of Launch X431 PAD V ELITE version. As you can see, we already have 10 expansion modules and a PAD V ELITE version with all software downloaded. Now I can't wait to show you each modules and introduce their uses. Let's open these bundles. First of all, I want to show you the 3 types of non-16-pin connector package. They are motorcycle diagnostic connector kits. So let me show you the contents. And commercial vehicle fittings, a new energy detection companion package, plus non-16-pin adapter box. There are 4 optional packages in total. By connecting this connector to the VCI, vehicle with different diagnostic sockets can be plug and play, expanding the scope of diagnosis and business at a lower cost. In addition to those connectors, the X431 PAD V can be expanded with 5 modules required for automotive component maintenance, such as a car battery tester, BST360, a video scope VSP600, used for checking automotive engines in areas that are difficult to reach by visual inspection. ITP-NS1 is used to replace the tire pressure sensors. O22 helps judging the faults on automotive electronic equipment and wiring. And this S22, which has a similar appearance to the previous one, is specially developed for diagnosing simulating sensor faults. When it comes to ECU clone or all-key lost, there are 2 modules, X-PROG and Key Programmer with the best solutions. On top of that, we are about to launch a portable ADAS extension, so if you are interested in our products, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments below the video. I am Chloris. I'll see you next time.